We'll start with a fundamental question about ourselves, which in modern life we never get to ask ourselves. And the simple question is, who am I? And throughout the whole exercise, you'll ask that question to yourself silently. But here's the trick. Instead of putting labels on who you are, I'm a father, I'm a teacher, I am this or I'm that, all the societal information, will just simply sit with that question without letting the mind answer the question. Let me tell you a quick story about Raja, the King Janak in India. So this king, very powerful king, Janak, had a dream. So he's sleeping and then he wakes up violently because he dreamt of a war. And he's a warrior. And in the dream, he's fighting fiercely his enemies in the war. And he's so indulged in the war. And this war becomes so unbearable. And just before he's about to get hit, he wakes up. When he wakes up, he starts to question that experience of war is still with him. He goes to his teacher and asks him, was that dream, the war, real? Or is this, when I'm talking to you, real? And the teacher asked him, while you were dreaming, while you were in the war fighting, did you ever doubt the existence of that dream? And he says, no, it was 100% real. He says, when did you find out that it was not real? When did you question it? When did you start doubting? He said, I started doubting when I woke up. He said, okay, so the dream was real in that state. And this state, right now when we are conversing with each other, is real in this state, in the waking state. And when we wake up from this state, then we'll start doubting and questioning whether this, when I'm awake and talking, is real or not. In the yoga scriptures, we talk about different levels of waking up. And the only thing that stays constant is you, the observation. You observed your dream in the dream state. Then you're observing your waking state when you're conversing. This is called witness awareness. You are ultimately the observer of everything. Today, we'll cultivate that witness awareness, that you are the witness, the observer. All right, we'll start with the breath work for today. So today, we'll engage in 3 different breathing exercises and then we'll end with Bhramari Pranayama. The first one is Tummo Breathing, 30 rounds with the breath hold. Second one we go into is Bhastrika Pranayama. The energy we build through Tummo Breathing will bring it up. The third one we get into is alternate nostril breathing, to distribute this energy throughout your masculine and feminine to create a balance. The fourth one we go into is Bhramari Pranayama. Bring this vibration into all the 50, 60 trillion cells in your body. So without any further ado, let's go on to the first one, Tummo Breathing. All right, coming into cross-legged, keeping your spine straight, chin 5 degrees up. We start with Tummo Breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale through pursed lips. Inhale fully, exhale. Inhale fully, hold the breath in, root chakra. Beautiful. Exhale fully, hold the breath out 15 seconds, pull the perineum muscles up, diaphragm up, belly in. rejuvenating breath in, and sit in meditation and just visualize a fire burning in your solar plexus and the energy moving up. Slowly start to open your eyes. Amazing job, my friends. Now we move this energy up towards the heart chakra through Bhastrika Pranayama. So see if you can bring awareness to your heart space. Inhale fully, exhale fully. Both inhales and exhales active processes. Inhale. Exhale fully, hold the breath out 15 seconds. Rejuvenating breath in and holding the breath, engage the root chakra. Pull the belly in. Amazing. Allow the breath to come out in normally. All right, now we go into alternate nostril breathing. So here's what we do. When we hold the breath, you just stay without the thoughts. You stay in the witness awareness. And before we start the alternate nostril breathing, we'll cultivate this witness awareness. So you'll ask yourself that question, who am I, before we start doing the alternate nostril breathing. So go ahead and ask yourself this question without getting the answer. Coming into Vishnu Mudra, inhaling from left for 6. Hold 6, stay with the question. Exhale right 9, beautiful. Inhale right 6. Hold. Exhale left 9. Inhale left 6. Now hold 9, stay with the question. Exhale right 9. Inhale right 6. Hold 9. Exhale left 9. Inhale left 6. Hold 12. Just silently repeat the question in your mind. Beautiful. Exhale, right 9. Inhale, right 6. Hold 12. Exhale, left 9. Inhale, left 6. Hold 15. Exhale, right 9. Inhale, right 6. Hold 15. Exhale, left 9. Beautiful. Very slowly repeat that question silently in your mind. Close your eyes and stay with the question in meditation. Amazing job. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends. Now we go into the last round of Bhramari Pranayama. Here we vibrate the hypothalamus, the third eye area. And this vibration happens when you're exhaling with smooth humming sound. So coming into 7 doors closing mudra. Inhale fully. And come into meditation. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends. So that witness awareness slowly leads us to create a little distance between who you truly are, you, the observation, and all the different roles you're playing in your life. So I hope this video brought little awareness into your life. If it did, make sure you hit this subscribe button, hit the like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get benefits from this teachings of yoga and breath work in their life. We have prepared a powerful guided meditation for letting go and surrender. to support your journey of conscious decision making. Along with it, we have included a beautifully designed decision making journal to help you track your weekly challenges. You can download them by using the link in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you can enroll in our complete breathwork course for conscious decision making. This step by step program is designed to help you build confidence and align your choices with who you truly are. You can join us through our Holistic Awakening membership, which gives you access not only to this course, but also to all our breathwork and meditation programs. Plus, you can download the School of Breath app to access all our courses, timed guided breathwork sessions, guided meditations, and calming sleep music all in one place. Don't delay your transformation. Click the link in the description to begin your path to empowered and conscious decision making. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abi Dugal. Namaste, peace, and love.